Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Cora from The Decorating Housewife. It's so good to see you. Today I have a couple of DIYs from the Dollar Tree. So if you like this luxurious look you see right here and you have about maybe $4 or $5, stick around and I'll show you how you can achieve this look for your bathroom, for a bedroom, or any room in your house really. So stick around. At the Dollar Tree, I saw these plastic apothecaries and they are so cute. Look at all the detail and all the detail at the bottom of the container. I thought it was so cute and I thought I'd bling it up and I turned it into this. Isn't that beautiful? I bought some of the gems and I just basically stuck them on and I hot glued some gems on the top of the lid, and I bought the Q-tips from Dollar Tree and put them inside. And look how elegant and classy that looks. I then picked up this beautiful photo frame at the Dollar Tree. Can you believe that? I love the black and I love the gold. I thought this would look so cute with a designer label in the center, and Chanel being my favorite designer, I took an old bag and I cut it out and I just put it in the frame, and I thought, how elegant would that look in my bathroom? And then I just took a faux silk flower and I thought I'd just place it in the middle, and you know the magic number 3, everything looks good in threes. I thought this would look very elegant. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today. I hope you take the time to create something like this for yourself. Why not? It looks so great and so inexpensive to make. Anyways, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.